Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Today I will make another spicy bread. You can use it in breakfast, lunch or as a snack. I'm gonna use very simple ingredients and this recipe would be very quick and easy. You can make it easily anytime. Okay, let's see what are the main ingredients of our grilled chicken long bread. You can say it pizza or long bread. Okay, for this I have taken some chicken breast pieces and these are not too much thick, medium thickness. Let's marinate our chicken breast pieces. I will marinate these pieces with our homemade spices. First, I'm gonna add fresh milk in it. That will increase the power of taste. Okay, I'm gonna use half cup milk. It's boiled and cool. Some fresh coriander, some lemon juice. You can see the quantity. Paprika powder 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoon or 2 teaspoon white vinegar, some black pepper, salt as your taste, whole spices powder, curry powder 1 tablespoon maximum. Also I am adding some pizza sauce in it. Okay, let's mix it and I will leave it only for 10 minutes and then we will grill our chicken breast pieces. Okay, mix very well. You can use your hands here if you want. For this I have a homemade long bread. I'm gonna cut it in lengthwise. I'm gonna cut its little bit thick pieces. Okay, mashallah, you can check the result of my bread. Another piece I have cut. Okay, you can use this one also, but I'm using only 2 pieces. Okay, let's start grilling. First I'm greasing my pan with cooking oil. Now I'm placing my chicken breast pieces which I marinated. Okay, we will grill these pieces until stained. We need its nice golden color. Now it's cooking. Flip these pieces. Keep flipping and keep cooking like this. Now these are ready. You can check the color, how much beautiful color. Okay, I have keep them out from the griller. Now it's time to cut our pieces, grilled pieces. These are too much hot at this time. Okay, you can see the fumes or steam. Just we need its chunks, big or medium size. Okay, now these are ready. Let's prepare our bread. I have taken 1 bread piece and first I am applying its marination. I didn't discard it. Now I am applying pizza sauce and also I will apply or place my chicken grilled pieces or chunks. Okay, here I have cut or sliced some veggies like tomato, onion, olive, capsicum chopped, and also I have two types of cheese strips, mozzarella and cheddar cheese. We don't have to cover our bread completely because we want its nice and beautiful different colors, golden, white and veggies colors. When you cover your bread completely with cheese, that hides every color of your food. Okay, now I will again drizzle some its marination on the top of this bread. Okay, okay, let's prepare our another bread with same method. You can use some different veggies if you have or if you want, or if you like to eat these in this bread, but I'll prefer these veggies because the combination is perfect. Okay, I'm placing tomato slices, capsicum, onion rings, strips of our two types of cheese, olive slices. I'm used here green olives. If you want, so you can use black olives also, or you can use both of these. Let's place our grilled chicken long bread in a pizza tray. I have aligned it with parchment paper and greased. Okay, I will bake these breads maximum 15 minutes. Let's come to place our bread in a wok or your oven. I have shown I bake in a big wok. I don't use any type of sand, rocks, or stones or salt. Just I place a holder or a stand in the bottom and place my pizza tray. Mashallah, after 15 minutes, it's ready. If you don't have these long breads, so you can make these breads with individual pieces. Mashallah, you can see the all colors of veggies and grilled chicken. Let's transfer it in a serving plate. Okay, these are easy to pull or transfer. Mashallah, it's too much beautiful and as too much delicious. Friends and my YT family, if you haven't liked, share or subscribe to my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep visiting to my channel and keep liking and keep subscribing. Okay, mashallah, you can see my serving. Okay viewers, I have shared another quick, easy and delicious recipe with you. I hope you would like it, definitely, inshallah ta'ala. I'm gonna drizzle some white creamy sauce on the top of these breads. You can check my previous recipe, saucy shrimpy bread. I made this sauce in this video. Okay viewers, now it's time to say Allah Hafiz. Inshallah ta'ala, I will see you soon in another beautiful delicious recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz guys.